You can see the assignment on the right hand side, and you can see the diagram on the left hand side. So the question says port A is in 40° north latitude and port B is in 24° north latitude. Both are on the Greenwich meridian. The great circle distance from A to C is 5400 miles and the initial great circle course from port B to port C is 062. Find the position of port C. So this is what we need to find out. Now you can see this diagram here. What we have done is we have taken this as the pole, and the vertical line which you see is the Greenwich meridian. In the Greenwich meridian, both our initial ports are, the port A and port B are located. Port A is at 40° latitude. So let's assume if this is the equator, this will be 40 degrees. Equator to point A will be 40 degrees. Port B is in 24 north. Let me show port B also. The port B is at 24 north. So from here to here, this will be 24. This is the Greenwich meridian. Let me write it as GM. The question says distance from port A to port C. There is another port, port C. Distance from A to C is 5400 miles. So A to C. This is the
90 degree हो
distance.
जाएगा.
Right. So this is 5400 miles. Now this 5400 miles, if you convert it into degrees, divide it by 60 and convert it into degrees, 1 nautical mile is 1 minute of the arc. So it gets converted to 90 degrees. So this side becomes 90 degrees. So let me show it with a rectangle. And one more information is given, that is great circle course from port B to port C is 062, the initial great circle course. So when you start from B, let me mark a diagram of the ship, and you want to reach at port C, the initial course which they say, initial course would be this one, is 062 degrees. So this angle is 62 degrees in this case. So this was all the information which was given to us. So up to here is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how can we approach this question is, if you look at triangle ABC, forget about the pole for the time being, concentrate on triangle ABC. Now ABC triangle is a special spherical triangle because we have one side as 90 degrees, side A to C is 90 degrees, right beta?
ये एंगल पता है.
We know angle B, and one more thing which we know is side AB.
AB.
साइड ए बी हमें
Napier
कैसे
rule
पता
लगाते
है? ए बी का जो लैटिट्यूड है वो 40 है, बी का लैटिट्यूड 24 है. So A to B has to be 40 minus 24. So this comes out to be 16 degrees. So side AB हमें पता चल गई, angle B हमें पता चल गया. So we can apply the Napier's rule and we can find out anything else in this triangle. Now what I find is this side of the triangle, Bravo to Charlie. This is what I will find using the Napier's rule. So is it okay beta? We can find BC?
BC निकाल लो, फिर फाइनल पे एंगल B निकाल लो.
Very good. So up to BC is clear. Any doubt? Okay. Now the thing become very, very easy. Now you move into the bigger triangle, Papa, Bravo, Charlie. So let's mark it with a different color. Let's pick up blue. Papa, Bravo, Charlie, the big triangle. Now in this triangle, this is also a spherical triangle. You see, we know side Bravo Charlie. We just calculated it using the smaller triangle. We know side Papa Bravo. It is the colat of B. Okay, it will be 66 degrees. And we know angle B also. Angle B is given to us as 62 degrees. So in this big triangle, Papa Bravo Charlie, you know two sides and the included angle. So once you know these three, you can apply the cosine formula. जैसे ही आप cosine formula
पीसी
apply
आ जाएगा,
आपको PC मिलेगा,
पीसी आ जाएगा.
which will give you the latitude of C. PC is the colat, so
Yes.
P minus PC will give you latitude of C. And once you find PC, second thing which you find is this angle, angle P. So find out angle P. This angle P is the D long between the Greenwich meridian and the meridian of C. Apply it to the Greenwich meridian and you get your longitude. So port C is known.
लैटिट्यूड के लिए क्या करना है?
Right, beta? Understood?
Yes, sir, this is understood. But sir, in one of the class you said that we can solve it using only cosine formula, not the Napier's rule. So वो कैसे करेंगे sir?
You want to solve this with the cosine formula?
Yes, sir, I'm just asking if we can do that also.
Yes, you can do it, beta. Any question which you solve with Napier's rule can be solved using the cosine formula also. Okay, but let's see if we can apply it here. Let me check it, beta. Just give me a minute. Let's erase all this. Okay, so here we have this particular side, then we have this particular side, and we have this angle. नहीं बेटा, इसमें कोसाइन फॉर्मूला नहीं लगा पाएंगे. Will
ठीक है
not
सर,
be
वही
able
डाउट
to
आ रहा था.
apply. Yeah, we will not be able to apply because इसमें दोनों condition meet नहीं हो रही हैं.
Included angle नहीं है उसमें.
Right. The angle is not included angle. So you will have to start off with Napier rule.
Okay.
Okay, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. All right.